Hello, welcome to Sugar Hero. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to make blue crystal rock candy inspired by the television show Breaking Bad.
Start by lining a baking sheet with foil. I like to use nonstick foil because it makes things a little easier. Then in a medium 4-quart saucepan, combine water and light corn syrup and granulated sugar. Put that over medium-high heat and stir until the sugar dissolves and everything's moistened and well mixed. Once it starts to simmer, take a wet pastry brush and brush down the sides of the pan. And what you're trying to do is remove any stray sugar crystals because those might cause your whole candy to crystallize. And once it comes to a boil, insert a candy thermometer. And from this point forward, no stirring, because stirring can also introduce sugar crystals. So just leave it alone, watch the thermometer. You want it to come to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it's at 290, remove it from the heat and let it sit for just a minute or two until bubbles stop breaking on this surface. Then you can add your clear flavoring extract and a few drops of blue gel food coloring. Stir that in really well. You'll see it bubble up a lot, don't be alarmed. And stir until you stop seeing the big streaks of color. Everything should be well mixed. Pour the candy out on the prepared baking sheet. You can spread it out into a really thin layer. I left mine a little thicker, whatever you'd like, and let it set completely at room temperature. Once it's completely set, it'll be hard like glass, and this is the fun part. Time to beat the crap out of it. Obviously, you could use a knife to break it up. I love using a kitchen mallet. It's just fun, get your aggression out. This candy is easier to eat and serve in large pieces, but if you want to be accurate to the show, you can also break it up into smaller chunks. You can even package and serve it in little baggies for the ultimate Breaking Bad experience.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. See you next time.